Pro Lighting is located in Foshan City in the Guangdong province of China. For more than 20 years, Pro Lighting has focused on R&D, production and sales of lighting fixtures, as well as OEM and ODM services. Under the leadership of the General Manager, Mr. Harvey, the company pays great attention to the quality of products, pursues efficiency through advanced technology and sincere cooperation, with a complete industrial chain advantage, which includes die casting, CNC, punching, spinning, and reflector anodizing, as well as a large assembly workshop. We can satisfy the customer's demands of quantity and delivery. Pro Lighting also has an industry-leading laboratory, quality management system, and strict controls over quality in accordance with the International Management System. From raw materials and accessories to finished products, every production process is refined. This concept of pursuing high quality is in the hearts of every employee. It is this character that ensures the 100% quality rate of Pro Lighting products. The company's products have passed CE certification, and all raw materials and products comply with RoHS standard for environmental protection. In order to enhance the competitiveness of Pro Lighting, the company has set up a strong technical R&D team, formed a reliable technical system, and is constantly launching new products to ensure that Pro Lighting keeps the leading position in the market. In particular, the newly launched DL8003 LED downlight series has many functions, multiple options, and a wide application range. It could be both a downlight and a wall washer, according to the customer's demands. Pro Lighting has three major product series: commercial lighting, office lighting, and hotel lighting, including LED downlights, track lights, pendant lights, spotlights, wall washers, grill lights, linear lights, etc. Not only focusing on quality, Pro Lighting is the perfect service practitioner, relying on a distinguished overseas platform and excellent technical strategy. We are eager to listen to our customers' voices in order to respond more efficiently and solve any conflicts for our customers in a professional manner. After many years of operation and development, Pro Lighting has laid down a solid customer base. Our products are widely distributed in South America, in Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Australia, and many other countries and regions. They are widely acclaimed in the local area, and our brand and reputation is constantly improving.
In the near future, Pro Lighting will continue to follow our philosophy of integrity, quality, responsibility, and value to provide to our customers with practical products and exceptional service.
Along with our customers, we will march forward towards the established goals to create a new era of brilliant development.